Right?
I love Old Town.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's going to be a whole lot of fun out there all weekend long. And if you are going to be going out there on Cinco de Mayo, temperatures will be in the low to mid 60s. And if you're headed out to the San Diego Humane Society Walk for Animals at Liberty Station tomorrow, we're going to start off cloudy. It ends at 11 a.m. We should start to see some clearing by then, but temperatures mostly in the low to mid 60s there as well. And the Padres are back in town against the Dodgers tonight, 7:10 first pitch. Temperatures about 64 degrees then. We'll climb to about 68, 69 degrees this afternoon downtown if you're headed out there during the day. We'll see 60s in our mountains, near 70 in fact, 70s inland with 90s in our deserts.